drip, me call it big drip. Versace, it fit, Burgundy chip quick.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, we gonna hop right in, okay? Today's video is in partnership with Iziwigs. They sent me a wig to review here on my channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to talk much, but this is just me showing y'all everything that the wig comes with, and you guys always ask me about the pricing. So this wig costs $214 for the exact wig that you guys are looking at. But with my code ARMY20, you do get 20% off, which put this wig to $170 something. There are, if you want to get it shorter, it's also cheaper, so it's up to you guys. But I just wanted to come and show you guys this Jerry curl wig, and y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If there's any way that I could have made it look better, if you would wear this wig, comment down below, let me know. But the hairline, I just gotta say, the hairline is amazing, y'all. I didn't need no ball cap or nothing. I just threw it over my Meek Millie braids and it looked really nice, like especially up close. Like this, not the hairline, the scalp. Look at the scalp, y'all. Like it literally looks like it's growing out of my head. But thank you so much to Iziwigs for partnering with me for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't want to talk too much. So I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Drip, me call it big drip. Versace, it fit, Burgundy chip quick. Me dog them run off the district. Me call it rich, the cash, the flip. Yeah, girl, I come on me yard for kiss stick. She put on the lipstick, she want the stiff stick. Make me money talk, so dismiss. No talk, no shit, you don't want to risk it. I test that I got them, we a fuck a designer. Money up, stack up, and a sim and a striker. Italian, wear some different fiber. Barbar, big, you a more suicider. Girl smell me cologne, answer this damn fighter. So me drop them jaws like a minion slider. Money run, me call it Young Sea River, China. I did some boy bad mind for.
Lift up my nights, so much sacrifice. And I hear a voice keep saying, angels cover me. Angels cover me.
Only for billions, trippy I look fun. Deal with the place like a video ghost man. Mafia lifestyle, you don't know what the Kutan. Swiss banking, some money I got through France. Little more we chill out on the yacht of cruise land. I used to promise it richer than the true man. Me I walk the road with blood in my two hands. See them I wonder where the youth from. Excel, Becky Della flip. And them gala flip, I fling your pussy for OG. Remember we buy a cup of fire tick. You're the one we fire it. Tell a boy the OD. Send couple dog up on Miami, fi go collect his salary. Chopper said the boat go leave. Dead president, them a follow me. Me and them a honor me. So me just a tell her don't pray.
Lift up my nights, so much sacrifice. And I hear a voice keep saying, angels cover me. Angels cover me.
Big drip, me call it big drip. Versace, it fit, Burgundy chip quick. Me dog them run off the district. Me call it rich, the cash, the flip. Yeah, girl, I come on me yard for kiss stick. She put on the lipstick, she want the stiff stick. Make me money talk, so dismiss. No talk, no shit, you don't want to risk it.
Lift up my nights, so much sacrifice. And I hear a voice keep saying, angels cover me. Angels cover me.
You messing the man, they don't know the man. You know what the girl them represent for you, understand? And a strictly business sound I play. I don't know the body's DJ, Izzy, Chris Fusion. Every girl want fuck with.
Oh, Chris Fusion!
Yes. There's a feeling wake up, smile, seeing my baby next to. Thinking maybe I should squeeze it. Looking so freakish and appealing. This for now, we need some healing. Yeah, me please roll up. The sexy shapes are teasing. They know me never wake up for no reason. Baby screaming. Me must sink in here in case me dreaming. The fuck have I intoxicated feeling. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, you mean? I love your song. Oh, you mean? I love your song. Yeah, me a cinnamon, a sickly business sound.
Mr. Lift the thing, shift the thing, make me slip the thing. She said that, but that's sympathy. Sink your thing, make you sing like a witnessing. Rip my thing, rip my skin. On no dignity. She explode when me lift the pin. Be a sweater pour by your pretty skin. She give me crumbs, I'm a fit for king. The pussy keep me disciplined. She fit for queen. What you mean? I'ma love you so. What you mean? I'ma love you so. What you mean? I'ma love you so.
You don't like this. I know you're not gonna like this. Yeah, my mom. I don't think my mom like it. You don't like it? Me toi gros.
On périt.
On périt.
It's not you.
I know. All right,
It's
but
not you.
I know, but my thing is dying, so I'll call you back.